So we're gonna change this fuel solenoid, this John Deere tractor. Got a brand new Chinese one because the John Deere one only lasted a few years and I don't know, maybe 100 hours, I'm not sure. Not very long. So, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's the little bugger right there. So, the hardest part is going to be getting that plastic clip out. So, let me put you guys right here. Is that going to work? See what I'm doing there? Not really. Hold on. Wait. Put you right here. That's not good at all. Sorry about that. Alright, well, if we should do those clips first, or if I should try and do the actual whatever first. God, look at that. It's so tight. What is the deal here? What is the deal? Does it slide in? So, oh, so that's not it there. This is like this, so that's like this. And there's some part that goes out of the bottom, I guess. I don't really get it. This clip here. Just have to press on the back. Oops, sorry about that. Press on the back of this, and that comes up. Is that right? Oh, something moving. Oh, all right. That worked out. So, sorry you guys keep falling over here. Let's get this, what is this, 10 millimeter in here. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. Hold on. What's with this socket set? Doesn't turn right anymore. All right. So, that guy's loose. Another one back here somewhere. Where? Oh, there it is there. This thing is just a pain in the neck. I mean, just tell me again what the point of these fuel shut-off solenoids is, because they should just say, oh, do you want your tractor to start or not? Because all it means is your tractor isn't going to start ever. That one on the back's still too tight. So hold on, let's put this back up in here. It'll give you more room to work in here, wouldn't they? Oh gosh, so tight. I just don't get it. I don't get it. I understand why. You'll be having more troubles today than, oops, you guys fell over. More troubles today than normal doing this. I don't know why. I mean, it seems pretty easy to do. But yet, this one back here is not cooperating today at all. Jeez. Ah, you guys keep falling over. Sorry about that. Jeez. Yeah, well, I didn't take the time to grab the tripod. I apologize. What the heck is going on here? I mean, not like we're doing rocket science or anything, right? I mean, my sockets don't even fit on there. Oh, guy's coming out. This one on the back is not moving. I've had to clean this thing out like 3 times this season so far. So I told myself that the next time this happens, I'm just going to take it out and put a new one in. So that's how we got here. But I swear it did not take this long last time to get these stupid screws out. All right, that's one screw out. This one back here is just being a real pain in the neck. Like, what is going on? What in the world is going on here today? My gosh. Have you ever seen someone take so long to take a stupid bolt out? Holy cow. Put on a glove, maybe I can get a better grip on that thing. I don't know what's going on. Just a little 10mm bolt back here that will not come out. Alright, I think I'm turning up my glove on. I got some grip on it finally. There's a little O-ring on here I don't want to lose. My word, man. What is going on here? Gosh. Can you sense the frustration here? I mean, it's turning like a 30-second. There we go. I think I finally have an angle on this little guy. My gosh. How many threads are on there? Come on, buddy. Alright, we're there. Try to get holding out of here. That's the old one. Oops, did I lose the O-ring? Hopefully not. There's that little O-ring I was telling you about. Okay, so get this new one out of here. Just hopefully, let's drop it on the dirt. That'll be good. Let's drop it in the dirt. Now, do you think it goes in a certain way? Don't know. Let's put you guys down. Sorry about that. Grab my O-ring. The old one. Try not to drop it in the dirt. Of course, I dropped it in the dirt. All right. Hold on. Drop the new O-ring in the dirt. The old O-ring in the dirt. That's good. Weight that down a little bit. I'm losing the gloves here because I can't do this with gloves on. Put the new O-ring, which doesn't sit in there very well. you guys over here this time. Maybe you can see better, I don't know. Alright, so this new one in here. Oops, I'm losing my O-ring again. Oh, it's the new one. I just don't understand this whole entire situation here. I don't get this O-ring. It doesn't really fit in there all that well. Alright, so I'm going to be a wimp and start this front screw first. Gosh, I'm having a lot of problems today. This is insane. Insane how many problems I'm having here today. Yes, let's drop the socket next. It's my wife cutting grass, which is good because it allows me to do this here. Maybe I've just done too much today and I'm like overworked or something. I've been working all day. Labor Day, baby, right? You're supposed to work on Labor Day, right? The only socket in the world that doesn't really work like a socket should. Other nut in the back there. So I had so much luck putting that front one in. It doesn't even feel like it's lining up at all. You guys down there. Let's see if I can just push this in better. My word, man. I don't know if this is supposed to take this long. Holy moly. Gosh. All right. Get them both in. See if we can tighten them up. I think my socket's going the wrong way again. The socket set seems to be no longer cooperating with me in life either. Gosh, this is nuts. Just nutty. can't even tell if it's getting tight back there. I think this is flipped again. This is like the shittiest socket set you've ever seen in your life, or what? It's going the wrong way again. That's tight. Of course, I'm going to curse myself when I try and get that off because I made it so tight. All right, now I think the hardest thing is getting these two connectors lined up here. So this is not the part I'm looking forward to here, but it's going to happen. So hold on. Sorry this hose and everything's in the way here, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I didn't invent this particular situation. I'm just trying to do my best with it. I don't know which way this is supposed to go here. 2 pins on the bottom, 2 pins on the bottom. All right, so I guess that just popped in there. Let's see if that worked. Moment of truth. Well, let's clean up the mess first. Put the old one in here. I lost the glove. Let's put this stuff over here. I got a pretty good hydraulic leak in this thing too. So check out my bucket of hydraulic fluid. That is not good. This thing is seeping fluid. Let's see if this is my lucky day or not here. Come on, baby. Oh, let's see this flashlight. That's gonna crash down. All right, baby. Let's see. All right. Looks like the made in China starter or fuel shutoff solenoid worked. Let's put this hood back together and get back to work. Thanks for watching.